Hello YouTube and welcome everybody to my channel Ivan's Fashion TV. Today I have a special unboxing video for you. It's Christmas time and I have 4 pieces all from Polo Ralph Lauren. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell and you will be informed when I upload a new video. So let's see what I have today after the intro. Welcome everybody again to my channel Ivan's Fashion TV. Let's start with the first piece. Nice packaging. It's Christmas time. Let me show you the shirt. So that's the Polo Ralph Lauren classic Oxford shirt in a classic fit, size large. See the nice detail, polo horse. Very nice. So that's the classic Polo Ralph Lauren Oxford shirt. I really like it. I like the color, I like the details and I like the quality. And yes, the Oxford shirt is one of my favorites. Next one. That's cool. Christmas, my true love gave to me. Very nice piece, and I have to say, this polo bear is my first polo bear in my Polo Ralph Lauren collection. Ta-da! So what we have? We have here the Polo Ralph Lauren cardigan. You can see it's a varsity cardigan from Polo Ralph Lauren. This beautiful cardigan is perfect for fall and winter. It's a very thick material, it's a heavyweight cardigan, and that means you can wear it almost like a jacket.
4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans.
So let's see what's in here. Now this trouser is a beautiful piece. I love the material. It's very soft and warm, and also the look, the herringbone, it's beautiful. Thank you for ordering from PoloRalphLauren.com. Our commitment to providing the finest products and service to our customers continues in the Ralph Lauren tradition. Vielen Dank für Ihre Bestellung bei RalphLauren.com. Unser Engagement zur Bereitstellung der besten Produkte und Dienstleistungen für unsere Kunden führen wir in der Tradition von Ralph Lauren weiter fort. And don't forget, these trousers come unlined. You have to bring it to your tailor and he can shorten them.
Birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids.
Now we are at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you don't want to miss any of my videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and you will be informed when I upload a new video. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next time.